I remember when I got my first DSLR. This thing is the Rebel T1i Canon. When I got this thing, it was secondhand. Actually, it was probably like third or fourth hand, honestly, because my dad picked this up from a pawn shop. Had it for a while and then gave it to me. I was taking a lot of pictures on my phone. I thought that this was going to level up my photos. My photos were going to be the most eye-catching, jaw-dropping things in the entire world. Like, they were going to be Pinterest-worthy photos. Spoiler alert, that did not happen. This did not make that happen, okay? But I'll tell you what will. Learning your settings, learning about the basics. I know a lot of people probably don't want to hear this, but let me tell you, learning my camera setting, learning the basics about composition, put it all together, and it is like chef's kiss. Sure, better gear often has more features like improved low light performance, faster autofocus, or superior dynamic range. But none of these guarantee good photos. They just enable photographers to capture images in more challenging conditions or get certain effects more consistently. It's the age-old debate. Does gear matter, or is it the photographer's skill? Well, it's a little of both. Skill is definitely at the core. Knowing how to work with light, understanding composition, and telling a story, that is what will truly elevate your images. Whether you're using your phone camera or a professional camera, these are the things that really, truly matter. If you're starting out, focus on the fundamentals. Composition, learn the rule of thirds, leading lines, framing, and negative space. Lighting, understand how to use natural light, reflectors, or basic flashes. Exposure triangle. Get comfortable with aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Mastering these will make any camera you use far more powerful. Now, expensive gear is not useless. There are times where expensive gear is absolutely what you need. For instance, sports and wildlife. You want those higher shutter speeds. You want that faster burst rate. Also want the superior autofocus. And most importantly, you need that longer lens for your distant subjects. But here's the key. None of those advantages matter if you don't already know what you're doing. A good photographer can produce stunning images on a phone. A beginner might still struggle with an expensive camera. Think about it this way. It's like if you were to buy a guitar. Does that automatically make you a rock star? No, seriously, I really need to know because I think I could do this. It's not the better guitar that's gonna make you automatically become a rock star, right? It's how you play, the practice that goes into learning the chords. So why should we view it any different? Buying a fancy camera isn't automatically going to make you a really good photographer. It's going to maybe help you in a lot of areas where you struggled in, but it's not going to instantly make you a better photographer. If you're going to invest money, you should think about these things. Education and training. These can be workshops, mentorships, online courses, travel and experience, going to different places to experience things that you don't normally photograph. This can do way more than upgrading your camera body. Lighting and accessories. Investing in better lighting and accessories can help you in the long run because reflectors, they do a lot. Good lighting setups or a quality tripod often will provide a bigger impact than to upgrade your camera body. It's always inspiring to see how amazing photos can come from all kinds of gear, especially when the photographer knows how to maximize what they have. So don't let gear craze intimidate you or make you think you're not good enough. At the end of the day, expensive gear may give you more options or a certain edge in specific scenarios, but it's the photographer's eye, creativity, and the technical know-how that really count. If you're thinking of upgrading, make sure you do your research. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video useful, give it a like or a comment below and let me know how it helped you. I will let you guys go and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.